How to fix Roblox enabling store is unavailable at this time. Please check back later. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you why you cannot turn on this store option on Roblox, or you're receiving an error that says unavailable at this time. Please check back later. Now right now I'm currently on Creator Hub or create.roblox.com. All you have to do is to access your settings by clicking this menu at the top right, and then go into settings. Now from settings, you should see a lot of options at your left side. Simply go into eligibility and then audio distribution. Now the reason why you're receiving those kind of error message where you cannot or you're gonna have it turned on for your Roblox store is because you haven't verified any identification available on your end into Roblox. So make sure that you upload any types of ID that you have. It needs to be digital so that you can have it verified, and make sure to tick all these boxes right here and then hit on submit. Now once it is approved, you can go back into that portion and you can have it on. And that's how you fix Roblox enabling store is unavailable at this time. Please check back later.